Hey, what's up guys? Happy Saturday. I don't feel like I haven't done a video on a Saturday in forever. So cool car. It's nice actually sitting inside of it for once. It's nice. I think I'm gonna enjoy today. Even if it looks like crap. Still. So I went out to Home Depot. Well, first I finessed at AutoZone. I exchanged the fully empty tube of that 3M windshield stuff for a new one because I was like, yeah, it broke. It didn't break. I used it all. It's like $30 a tube. It's way too expensive considering I still have a quarter and a back window to put on. It should be enough to finish those. But besides that, I got these two bars. It's these two aluminum elbow pieces. You can see they're an angled. First of all, it's extremely light. Second of all, it doesn't bend at all. I mean, I'm sure it bends if I step on it, but basically I'm gonna run them like this, and you know, two of these along the back windshield, and it's gonna rivet into it. It'll prevent it from flopping around and flexing at high speeds and stuff like that, especially when wind is going into the cabin and trying to push on it. It'll definitely help. These are only like $5 each, and it's aluminum, like I said, so it's really light. It's not gonna rust. I'm still gonna spray paint them just black anyway, but
What's this? Bust this. Bust this.
What's up, guys? Sorry I ran out of memory, but as always, I was just trying to do time lapses. But here's the stuff. The rear window is absolutely horrible. Like, you can see the bars that it has. There's one bar, there's the second bar, and the rivets. A lot of the drill bits kept breaking, and then some of the rivets won't catch. So for the time being, I put 3 screws up there in the corner instead of rivets, because they caught, obviously. And then I have rivets holding the third brake light on. I'm gonna take it for a drive. I'm gonna go to AutoZone because I got that. I got the, what is it called? I got the window control switch, and I plugged it in and it still doesn't work. So I'm assuming has nothing to do with the switch. So I'll have to check out the wiring some other day. But I'm just gonna go drive it because I haven't driven this thing forever. Even driving it down the block would mean the world to me. So guys, hopefully that was a good ending to today. Tomorrow, gonna put the passenger seat in, put the harnesses in, and go to Skylar's and do the exhaust. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Sorry, this has been a really long, stressful day again for the second day in a row, so gonna go play RuneScape.